Okay, so hello everyone. This is Simmant this side, and I know we had been a very long time we are not having any video. So let's go ahead and create a new one. In the today's video, we will going to be discuss about the uh, Java API, which is one of the very favorite and one of the very popular API with the string. And if you work with the data manipulation or the data whenever you need to be work with the data manipulation or something with the data, that is called the regex. So before deep diving into the Java, how to implement it and how we can use it with the string, regex is not just limited to the Java. It's a universal concept, meaning whenever you have some parameters or whenever you have some string, or you can say the informative word, the alphanumeric or the special characters and so on. So whenever you wanted to get the desired text, I mean, it could be anything. It could be the group of numbers, it could be the group of characters, and at the both at the same time. So you can use the regex, and it's really helpful, and it's a really uh, done the job in the very quick cut notes. So I think we have enough words. Now let's go ahead and implement it. So we have the regex demo. Okay, and here is our favorite class. What's the name of it? Like static. Okay. So let's say we have one string. Data, and let's suppose we have lot many words with like in this one, then two, then three, then four, and then five. I know that's kind of an in the real case, but yeah, just for the demonstration. And if you wanted to just replace this out from the string, so how we can do it? We can do it with data dot replace. So now here is a three method: replace, and the replace all. So the difference is like here you can go with the character by the character. Here you can go with the character sequence, and the character sequence, which is I think nothing but with the same thing. And here you can go with the all, meaning the regex parameter. So in this tutorial we are not going to be see on this one, but what we can see it here is with I mean, you guys can just go ahead and you can use it this one, but our motive is to deal with the regex, so I will going to be demonstrate with the replace all. So let's go ahead, and here is this one. Okay, so I just wanted to replace it with the empty string. Okay, let's go ahead, system.out println and the data. Okay, so here we have, and what else it can do. So like at the same time, if you wanted to replace it with, I mean, if your program or your algorithm uses some specific characters, because many a time when the data comes with, let's suppose it comes with the dollar. Okay, in many cases when we pass the HTML, when pass the JSONs, so many time the data comes with the dollar symbol, but when we have the synchronous call, and when we have the dependent call with the Linux system or with the mainframe systems, so dollar mean there in the mainframe, I believe, because way back we has been run up in the one scenario where when we are sending the dollar sign with the mainframe files, so it was, I think it was instructed as the delete statement for the records. And I think in the Linux, if you go and if you have the dollar symbol, so it will resemble the another command statement. So in both the cases, dollar sign and some special characters would not been allowed. So what we can do in that case, just go ahead and have your symbol here. Okay, go ahead and just replace it out. Okay, but here it's not replaced, right? So why? Because it's not been created. So we just add a forward slash and our job is done. Okay, so that's, here we go. So whenever you wanted to deal with the special character, just like the dollar or the single quote, if I'm not wrong, I think single quote will be the different one, like this. Okay, anything just like if you wanted to remove and dollar is one of the case, at the rate, and the star, and so on. So you can use in the special character. I think in the dot even, right? Like if we have that sentence we wanted to remove it, I don't think we need to be removed anytime. Let's suppose we have the data is magic, the data is really a magic, and let's suppose in the data it's been coming like 2 dots and you want it to be removed the dots in the end. Okay, so how we can do it, simply go ahead and this all. Okay, the data is magic. Okay, so I think it's enough for the basic thing. Now what will be the real-time scenario to use it? Okay, so the real-time case could be whenever you wanted to pass the HTML basically, or whenever you wanted to pass the text file, the huge text file. In that case, your regex method and the regex pattern will be the blessing. How? Let's go ahead and see. So how we can get the fine. Okay. Fine. Basic HTML code. Okay. Try it yourself. Fine. Let's copy this data. Now, our aim is to print only these things here between the H1 and the P. Okay. So have it saved. Where to save it? Fine, here. Let's have the file. Okay. Now, one thing first. Open in terminal. So ls pwd, fine. Copy. Okay. Now how to read the file? Very easy case. File input stream. Okay. FIU custom new file stream, and here we go. There's the HTML code. Fine. What's the exception? Okay. Now let's go ahead and assign the entire to this thing here. If I'm not wrong, this should be the case for it. Okay, fine. Okay. And let's suppose the data. Fine. Okay, now let's go ahead and run it out. Bingo. We have this text only. One more thing again, I believe. Okay, so what we can do here in this case is fine. Okay, so I think we need to remove the trim. Okay, that's done. Okay, now the thing is, many people come up and say like they have a scenario where they have to run up in the files, like they have to parse it and then they have to save the data. So that's job done in the click of the fraction of seconds. How? Let's do it. Okay. What we can give is system dot current time in miles, my favorite file, 9, and dot txt. Okay, now here we can go and go out. I'm not making it as the true and false. Reason, I don't want to get it update, just for the demonstration. But if you wanted to keep the file update, just don't forget to have it true here. Okay, we can, I think we can have the one separate video on the file handling, because it's a very deep topic. We'll cover it in some another topic in some another video. Now let's go ahead and dot write and data dot get bytes. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and have it presented, man. Perfect. Everything is perfect. Okay, but there's a one thing, man. It's not doing, man. So go ahead and trim it out again. I think we should trim it here itself. I hate white spaces when it's not required, basically. Cool. This is the use of timestamp. Okay, so this is done, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do like the video if you find it useful, and please leave your comments in the comment section if you want me to improve something, and if you want me to cover up another topic. So you feel free to use the comment section, and see you in the next video, guys. Have a nice day. Have a nice night and the day, and wishing you all a very happy Independence Day, the belated one. I forgot to wish it. I was planning to make this video yesterday itself, but due to some work, and I was in multiple learning scenarios, so, and this is the one of the product which I got it from my recent work. So thanks to the new opportunities and the new challenges. Challenges always make you learn a new things. So never afraid with the challenges. Always encourage them. Okay, guys. So it's time to say goodbye and the good night. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much, guys. Keep learning, keep sharing. Jai Hind.